Hello and welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to easily run two Telegram accounts on one device. If we need two Telegram apps, ideally in any version of iOS, cloning of apps isn't allowed. So we'll have to explore alternative solutions to achieve this functionality. We'll install one app from the App Store as we normally would expect. For the second app, we'll use Safari to access Telegram's web version by typing in Telegram Login or Telegram Web. This will open the official Telegram website in Safari, giving us direct access to its web app and related installation resources instantly. Next, we'll tap on Share after accessing the Telegram web app. We'll click Add to Home Screen and can name it as we like, making it a custom app. Now we can see that we've successfully installed two Telegram apps, and we can keep one on the same screen, essentially having two separate Telegram instances, which is really convenient for managing different accounts simultaneously always. Learned how to dual run Telegram? Check the description for a special iOS deal. Like and subscribe.